To create single line text, we have some tricks. How we'll use that tricks to create our single line text? Just see, I'll click here for single line. Suppose if you need a line in vertical direction, then I'll click here and I'll take our mouse. I'll click, also I'll click here. Now if I write something W E-L, okay, it's doing, in previously we have selected some unknown format, that's why it's giving us like that. I will change that from format, then text style. In annotation I will change that. I will change to, suppose, okay, that one is okay, Arial. Set current, yes, then plus. Now okay, now I'll again go here for single line. I'll click, specify the start point of text. I'll click here, this is the start point, and specify the rotation angle. So first of all, I will create in that direction. I'll click here. Now I'll provide here okay, and if I take our mouse, just see, for that option you will not be able to change that text or anything here. You have to change everything from our text style editing. Okay, so this is the one way to create your text like that. Now again, if you need to create a single line in a particular direction, so just simply click here, and in that direction if you need to create a line, now you are able to create that line in that direction. Or you can provide a specific angle also, and single, then I'll click here, that will be the first point, and it's telling us it's with the rotational angle. So if you provide your rotational angle, suppose our rotation angle will be 45, then if you write something, just see our, and also our text will be here. In this way you are able to use your single line. Also, if I click here, and for single line, if I click here, and if you go bottom, from top to bottom, then it will create a line like welcome, and if you click anywhere, just see, it will automatically change. Now if you need that line welcome in that direction, not in that face, so same, you have to click here for single line and click bottom and go top and write here welcome, leave it, just see, you will be able to create your line. And now if you need to change that size or anything, just simply go here, format, then text style, and from text style you will be able to change that. So suppose if you provide here, or if you want to change the data or anything from here, you'll be able to change it as per your requirement, as I've shown in previous. So thank you. Or if you want to change, see that, right click, click properties, which option are available with it here, the annotative, and also you can change that as per your requirement. If you need to change it, you can change it from here for that specific one. So I think it's okay to you that how we'll use single line or anything. So thank you very much for listening with me.